I am Sudhakar. I am a professor of philosophy. You said, somebody said, Muhammad is the greatest because he produced maximum results. I think you don't know the facts, unfortunately. Today, Christians are 2.3 billion out of 6.4 billion human beings. At least if I follow your criteria, Jesus is the greatest religious phenomenon in the entire history. What's your answer?
Brother has asked a question that today in the world there are 2.1 billion Christians, whereas Muslims are only 1.2 billion. So Jesus is the greatest. I was not talking about Muslims and Christians who are maximum in number. When Jesus worked, how many disciples? Only 11. When Muhammad worked, how many disciples? 140,000. Between them, who is the greatest? Simple common sense applied. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Please let me complete. I forgot one point. He said there is no Tawheed mentioned in the Quran. Grammar problem, sir. Wahid and Ahad are the root words for Tawheed. Entire Quran has it several times. Wahid, Ahad. Allah is Wahid, Allah is Ahad. Qul huwallahu Ahad. Ahad is the root for Tawheed. For Trinity, is there any root? No. Coming back again to the brother. You see, Christian missionaries kill a Hyderabadi boy. They force Christians on him. Wallah, give me one example where we Muslims can do it. We can never. The Bible told them, which Jesus never get a chance. The Prince of Peace, he never got that chance. What was that chance? Jesus says in Gospel of Luke, chapter number 19, verse number 27, says, if somebody does not believe me to be their ruler, bring him in front of me and slay him. Jesus says in Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 10, verse number 34, I have not come to spread peace on earth, but a sword. What is happening in Iraq? There was a report in Etemad newspaper, 3rd May 2008, Saturday, page number 4. In Iraq, the Christian missionaries are kidnapping the orphans and converting them to Christianity. This way you are 2.1 billion, sir. I hope I answered that question.